We'll guide you through how to get a new skin in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If I go and press F5 on my keyboard twice, you can go and see my current skin. So at the moment, it's just a default Steve skin. You may have gotten previously changed your skin and maybe forgotten how, or you just want to go and find out some different ways you could get a new skin. And so we'll guide you through how this can be done. What we need to do though is first of all come and quit out of it. So I'll press save and quit to title and press quit game. Come onto your desktop just like I am here. And what you then need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. From here, we need to go and type in Skindex. So the Skindex is a place where there are loads of different skins. So you can click on it like so and come to minecraftskins.com. So what you can now do is go and start browsing through these different skins. These are some of the top ones people have gone and made. So what you could do here is if you like the look of one, you could go and click on it. There are going to be ads on this site. Then what you could do is you can come over to the right and you can go and download it. But what you could do is go and edit it. So you can go and press edit skin to the right like so, and you'll be brought to the editor. And then what you can do is go and use the tools over to the left here and start customizing it. You've got these different tools, for example, the pencil tool, you've got the auto tone, and you can fully customize this to your liking. What you could also do is go and make a skin from scratch as well. So for example, you could come up to the top and you can go and press on editor. And here it is. If it's already got one here, then what you can do is go to the bottom left and press reset skin. I'll press that there and press OK. And you then got a blank canvas. And then what you can do is you can go and start fully customizing the skin to your liking. So what you can do is go and work through the body parts and go and fully go and design it. We've actually got a full guide on how that can be done. Then once you've finished it, you can scroll down and you can go and press download. If you've already got a skin you'd like to edit, you could go and press upload from computer, upload it and start editing it. I haven't in this case. Find a skin you like the look of, and what you can then do is go and click on it like so. And then you can go over to the right. Once again, you can edit it, or you can go and download it like so, and it's now on your computer. Then what you can do is you can come out of your web browser and you need to come into the Minecraft launcher. So you can search for it at the bottom of your computer like so. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, check out the link in the pinned comment and the description. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server and they've got so many great features. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, instant setup upon purchase, 24/7 servers and support, so you can get help anytime you need it. And at the moment, you can go and get 35% off your first invoice. So go and check them out. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. Let's continue. Go over to the left and you can select Java Edition, and you can go to the top and you can go and press skins. So you go and see your library here. I've got quite a few here as I've gone and used them before, but you may not have any, it doesn't matter. What you can do if you've got a new skin is press new skin, go and give this a name. So I could just name this new, but of course you can name something else. Then you can come to skin file and press browse, come to your downloads and you can go and locate it, select it and press open. And there it is. Choose whether it's a wide or slim. In this case, I could go slim. And then there are cape options here as well. And what you can then do is go and press save in the bottom right and it'll go and be added here. Go and use this red one here, for example. I could press use and that will go and be changed. Then if I go and press F5, you can go and see the skin has been changed and you've gotten a new one. It's that simple.